Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bonk, which was necessary. I mean, right now what you see in the markets is that Bitcoin yesterday showed some strong momentum. Then over the course of today that has so far continued. Who knows if that will actually continue into next week. We don't know, but what you can see is that meme coins are doing particularly well. All right, so I just wanted to cover some. I would have wanted to cover all of them, but in general, we'll take a look at Bonk and Floki, and in this video, Bonk, all right, because by far that has been the strongest coin in the last 24 hours. You can see that meme coins in general are doing quite well, and some other coins as well, like Jasmine, Gala, etc. But those coins are doing well, and what you can see with Bonk is that we are also at a crucial level right now, all right? I would say, I think on the 4-hour time frame / the daily time frame, I'm not sure what to think of Bonk yet. And I know that sounds crazy because with a 40% move up, obviously most of you are going to be bullish. But the thing is that on the 1-hour time frame, sure, we're super bullish, all right? We are rallying, and if we look at the momentum right here, what you can see there is probably that's also still going up. Yeah, so we're gaining momentum and we're just getting breakout after breakout. So on the 1-hour time frame, we're bullish. On the 4-hour time frame, I would also say we're bullish. We broke above this major downtrend we had right here and broke above several key levels. All right, basically this whole gray area right here is filled with different key levels that we broke above, including the 200 EMA. Now, why I still say that I cannot be 100% bullish on Bonk yet though, is because of this level right here. All right, that's 21,500, and then with 4 zeros in front of that, of course. But that's such an important level, all right? You can see, first of all, technically, that level is respected, all right? Both as support, but also here, first of all, as resistance, then as support, and also historically right here, resistance, and well, here it was a little bit more ambiguous, but we were also more volatile. But on the daily time frame, like that's the last level we really need to break if we want to get bullish. And so that's the main level to watch. Now, do I think that's possible that we can actually break above that? Yes, I do think it's possible, but I would much rather see it, all right? And look, I'm not going to tell you to wait for the breakout or that I don't know if it's going to be able to break out. Honestly, if we're just being objective with the way Bitcoin is behaving right now, which, you know, Bitcoin on the short term, I would say is actually quite strong here. And I do think with the, hopefully with the less unrest in the Middle East, hopefully Bitcoin can actually recover some gains here or recover some losses. A bullish Bitcoin is great for memes. So fundamentally, I would say memes do have that potential to break out. And then apart from that, I mean, the momentum right now for Bonk is super bullish, all right? There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, you can see that initially we actually had quite a lot of short orders being opened right here. But then since today, we actually saw a lot of long orders being opened here, and these short orders right here, what that also means is that we can have some sort of a potential short squeeze. All right, so I want to look that up real quick here to end the video. But usually if a lot of people short, what happens is that that liquidation prices can get hunted, especially if Bitcoin is bullish. I do think we need a relatively bullish Bitcoin to actually break out here. But if you look at Bonk and over the last month, what you'll see is that there is a lot of liquidity right here, around 2.5 cents. That's still that's not that far away, I would say. So I would say if this momentum keeps up, I think it's most likely that we can also get that breakout right here above 22,000, perhaps with a pullback, right? So don't just think we're going to go up only. We could pull back into 19,000, then get the breakout and rally up to that liquidity zone around 25,000. But I do think something like this is most likely. All right, it's 100% dependent on Bitcoin. If it stays relatively bullish, if not, Bonk will probably follow Bitcoin down. But for now, like I said, I have pretty good hopes about Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin stays relatively bullish or at least stable up here, I think it's most likely we'll see this. So those are my thoughts. And then from this level, we could rally higher than 25,000. That's just the first resistance level. All right. So from there, I'll give you an update. For now, this is what you need to know. All right. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.